Hi friends, no one likes slow website, even Google. In addition to WordPress basic setup, the optimized hosting plan and the good WordPress theme, you need some additional plugins or even at least one additional plugin to optimize the speed of your website. This is a demo website that we created in our earlier video, and in this video I am going to show you a very good solution that is going to enhance the speed of your WordPress website. And I'll tell you why I have selected this particular plugin. This is called Speed Up WordPress, that is called WP Speed of Light. It has been developed by the Zoom United, and the good thing is that it is available for free at the WordPress repository. You can download and use this plugin for free. However, the pro version is also available. You can also enhance more features of this plugin by adding the pro option. So I was saying why I have selected this plugin to be on this channel, and why I consider this plugin to be very useful for speed optimization. These are some reasons, and the only reason that attracted me, it generates full static cache. So there are very less number of plugins that can generate full static cache, and the another advantage with this plugin that you can check the performance by A/B testing. So if we talk about the performance of your website, and when it comes to the performance loading time, it requires some test to identify which plugin, theme, page may require more attention. It is very important, and in our experience at iCreate, when we are developing multiple websites in a single month through iCreate programs, we have seen not all plugins are suitable for the optimization plugins, not compatible, not even all themes suits to every plugin. So it is very important to understand which is going to be suitable for your website. So these plugins offer a very unique feature, that is the testing. The WP Speed Up Light also includes a speed loading test and compare and a database query test. So it is very important. Technically it is an advantage with this plugin. So you can use this plugin, and I'm going to use this plugin, and I'll simply download this plugin. And okay, so no need to download even, we can simply search in our WordPress repository. I'll go to the plugin section of this website. We are installing this plugin to this. This website is not using any cache plugin. As you can see, basic plugins are here, Elementor Pro. No cache plugin is here. So I'm going to add a new plugin here, that is WP Speed of Light. And even we will check the pro features by adding the pro options. So stay tuned until the end of this video. You are going to get a speed option for your website. That is really very important. And in the next video, even I am coming with another solution that is also going to give you add-on features for speed. So don't miss the next video as well. I will not tell you the name. You have to subscribe this channel, ring the bell button, and keep watching the next video as well. Okay, so WP Speed of Light is here. I'm simply installing this plugin, and we can quickly check what features we can achieve through this plugin at our WordPress website. Installed, and now we can activate. So simple, but yes, it is going to be very effective. It is going to enhance the speed, of course. So welcome to WP Speed of Light. First, configuration wizard. This wizard will help you in some server compatibility check, and with the plugin main configuration, follow some simple steps and speed up your website in no time. That is wonderful. So continue to environment check. So we can simply go with this. However, there is another option. We can skip this wizard, but yes, I'll go with this, and I'll check the environment check. As I have always focused on the WordPress optimized hosting plan. You can see this screen. This is saying everything about your hosting that is required for speed. And I always used to tell in all of my videos that you have to use a WordPress optimized hosting plan that is available at WP Themes website. Through WP Themes website, you can simply follow the video description link to get all the tested resources for your WordPress website. So you can see the screen. These are the results, that is MOD expires it active here, GZIP activation. It is really very important from the speed point of view. MOD headers, MOD deflate, and the filter and the PHP CURL open SSL WP config file. Everything is fine, green marked here. So we can simply go with this. We can continue. Just in case if something is not enabled here, you have to work on your hosting and through your hosting or through the support system of your hosting provider. I don't know, but yes, we have everything enabled here, and you will also get the same enabled when you will order WP Themes hosting plans. Okay, so we can simply continue here and the check configuration. Beginner in optimization. I'm not familiar with the WordPress optimization tools. Configure automatically the plugin in one click with default options that works 100% of the website. Do it for me. Or we can choose the advanced options. I'm familiar with WordPress optimization tools. Show me all the main options. I will decide myself what I want or not for this website. Okay, that is fine. So I'm choosing this second one. I wish to show you the optimal feature that is available. However, you can go with this. It will automatically configure the plugin for you. But I will select this, and it is showing the minimal or maximum feature that is available. So advanced active cache system is here, and we can simply enable this. Clean each in 40 minutes. By default, it is here. Remove query string is here. Add expired headers, it is enabled. Cache external script, we can enable or disable as we require for our website. Disable REST API and disable RSS feed. So only one is disabled by default. We can enable this. Later we can do this. So we can continue with this screen. Advanced configuration. So HTML minification, we can enable this. So I recommend to enable this, and JS minification and the JS CSS minification and the JS minification. All these points are important, so we can simply enable this. By default, it is not enabled, and we can even enable the resource group like group CSS. I am going to enable this. Let us check what happens. And group JS, I'm going to enable. So most of all the features on this screen, advanced configuration, I have enabled all the options, so we can simply continue with this, and everything is done. Now you have completed the plugin quick configuration. Go to the dashboards. Okay, we are going to the dashboard. That is fine. Okay, so you can see the dashboard, speed overview, cache activation, check for WP speed database. Okay, so that is enabled. PHP version, GZIP, and all these things are enabled. And run a first test now. So I'm going to show you the first test, and after that I'll also add the add-ons, that is Pro add-on. Like in the Pro add-ons, image compression is available, the lazy loading, database cleanup, and the group fonts, group files, file minification. So I'm not saying you need to use the Pro features. You can stay cool with the free options that is available. And in the beginning, I have seen in the most of the plugins that is available for WordPress repositories, initially we get optimal features for free, so we can take advantage of these things, of free available things, and we can use the free options. And I'll run the first test. Let us check transparently what happens. So total plugin 7, loading time 0, latest speed analysis test result. Okay, loading time, speed score is 0. I don't know why it is 0. So run free website is running real browsers and real connection speed. Your result will provide diagnostic information including resources, loading time, and optimization. So launch speed test. Okay, so it is still not checked. It's okay. And the device running strategy. Okay, so we can check for desktop. We are okay. Now it is up. So it may take between 1 to 5 minutes. Keep calm and stay cool. Yes, we are always this cool. So we are doing multiple experiments in a single day. And you can join the iCreate program meanwhile it is running. So I must tell you about the iCreate program. This is the program where we can get direct support from developer mentors to make your WordPress website fast, complete, checked in all respects. These are the services. So auditing, redesigning, copywriting, maintenance, optimization, troubleshooting, and everything is available here, like branding, manager, SEO, and virus removal things. And you can, of course, onboard the iConnect, iCreate program to make your dream website with the help of mentors. You can create it your own, or even you can ask the team to develop a website. Okay, so yes, it is complete here, and the loading time, you can see the latest speed analysis test result. Performance score is 88. The loading time is 32 seconds. Okay, so I don't know why it is. Okay, so here is the result. Full report is here. Open Google page speed full report. Okay, and this is Google page speed. First content full print is 0.8 seconds. It is very good. Time to interactive 1.4, speed index 3.3 seconds. Total blocking time TBT 18 milliseconds. Largest content. So we can see everything is here, and the load time is somehow showing 32 seconds. So we can check the more details here. So this is here, and it may be variable for your website or time to time, and we can launch the speed test for mobile as well. I'll go for mobile. I'm just showing you what features are available. I'm not much concerned about exact results in this video, at least, because cache plugins take times in making cache, and you cannot expect the immediate result. What I am saying, you cannot expect the immediate result, but the cache system, if it is working fine, it will definitely bring the good speed, enhance the speed, and your page will reload after 2 seconds. So the test is complete. Okay, so here performance score is 850, and the loading time is latest 24 seconds. Somehow load time, it is in seconds. It is really not true, in fact. So visit site, and it is loading within seconds. So why it is so? Anyways, so I wish to show you all the things, and it is the speed index, and we got everything here. So database queries, we can see here. We can check the database query like WP core query time, and the theme, and the total plugins. So we can again launch the analysis here. So this is for database queries, and you can view the results. This is the results, and all is 0. Wonderful. Okay, so we have these options, and we can go for speed optimization options now. Active cache session is here, and we have activated the most of the things, and only pro things are remaining. WordPress, remove query string, and all these things are enabled. Group minified. So we can control later through these options, advanced options. So these are all pro options. WooCommerce, just in case if you are using the plugin for WooCommerce website. Image compression, it is not available for now. Database cleanup. So by default it is here, but automatic cleanup is available with the pro feature. So we can clean up the database with the minimal cleanup can be go, and the remove trackbacks and pingbacks is available in the pro version. And the CDN integration, just in case if you are using any CDN, like certain CDN, most of the time Cloudflare does not require any main CDN provider links. So these are the links, and you can use this configuration. Now I am going to add the pro feature. Okay, So I have the pro features, and I will go to the plugins. You can add new and upload the plugin, choosing the file. Speed of light chip is here, so I can reconfirm the speed of light chip is here. Okay, speed of light chip is the free one that we downloaded, and here is the pro one. This is add-on. Okay, simply install now. Now we can activate this add-on, and okay, it may take time a while activating. Now activated, we can go to the dashboard again, and now pro features has been might have been, certainly not, but yes, and we can explore the pro features now. Okay, so this is again lazy speed is enabled now, and we can choose the pro feature speeds like iframe, video lazy loadings option, and the image dimension and all. And WordPress was already report image minify defer GS option is now enabled, so we can enable all these things. So now I'm now going to enable all these things by default, and let us see how it impacts the speed if we are using the pro features even. So external, so I'm going to screen one by one, and without any second thought I am enabling all the options. So here group minify, everything enabled, so I'm saving this. Speed up, so I'm going to external script, yes. So I'm not going to give the sizes between image loading, image dimension. However, I don't have any videos had my page, so I have enabled everything just to check advanced features. So can say preloading, it is available in WP Rocket very effectively, but yes, let us check how it works for our website. DNS prefetching, and okay, so I'm saving this as well. So I don't have WooCommerce website, so I'm not enabling this because it will not show anything. Image optimization, yes, we can go for this, but yes, we need a plugin, so I'm not doing this for this time. Database cleanup, yes, I have enabled automatic cleanup, it is available now. And remove blingbacks and trackbacks, select all, and I'm now going to clean the database as well, just to check. However, my database was cleaned, and in transition options were here, and now it is cleaned, and now I'm clean and saved. So I'm hitting this second time, and let us move to the next screen. This is on CDN integration that I am not going to do. So everything is enabled now, and now I am going to dashboard again. Yes, everything is enabled here, and Pro add-on is installed here, and lazy load installed. Okay, so everything is installed, and I wish to run the wizard again. Let us performance check, but somehow I did not find the option. Okay, the speed analysis is here in a separate tab. This is the tab, and we can run the loading time speed test again, and let us see how it works. So I'm going to delete. No, I will not delete. I'll run the speed test again for desktop. Let us see if there is any change. And meanwhile, we can check our website. It should not be impacted from the front for the front-end design, and also it is all good. Yes, it is good, and I can check in the private browser as well. So I'll copy this and open the website in a private browser. Okay, so website is fine in the private browser as well. So I'm simply willing to say, and the JS minification and all the other minification that we use in the free or even in the pro version, that not impacted has not been impacted our website negatively. So it happens with certain plugins and in certain optimization steps that the CSS or the layouts gets disturbed, but this is fine. All this fine. I am checking this website in a private browser. So it is fine, all fine. So we can simply conclude it is not putting any negative impact at least. Okay, so this is our website and we can check. Okay, so the third check is here. Earlier it was 32, now it is 23. At least some progress is here. So at least we can expect more progress. I mean more time improvement, more loading time improvement. But as I said, it is not real. And when you install a Cache plugin or optimization plugin, it takes time. It may take a certain time. All pages should be loaded once, and all such technical limitations are here. So you can check the actual performance after 24 or 48 hours. So as I can assume, so now I will also show you the database queries. Yes, so I can launch the analysis again. Okay, so view results, that is fine. Okay, that is fine. So I don't think we need to. And now I'm going to check the mobile finally with the pro features, and it is taking some time, of course. Okay, so now page is reloading and it will show us the result. Now it is showing 22 seconds. Okay, so now the result is different with the pro features, and we can keep testing. We don't need any external feature, however. So just to check the difference, we can check the website in the GT matrix. Yes, we can check. So let us check on the GT matrix just for a fun. I am just willing to check the speed. And this is GT matrix, and this is most prominent tool to check the best website speed being used everywhere. So I am going to check our speed, our website speed. Now test your site. It takes time, but yes, we can wait here patiently. And again, so this is not a final test because it gets connected first of all from Vancouver, Canada server if we are testing from India, and it depends on the locality and the server you selected. So you can get a free account at GT Matrix for testing purposes, and you can change the server locations as well. By default, it tests from Vancouver, Canada if the test is being performed from India. And let us see what is the result here just to check the difference. So optimization activity, it needs multiple tests. So since the plugins offer a test inside, so we can rely on them, and it is here just 4.5 seconds. It is really good. And as I said, we need to work on performance speed. Here it is 4.5 seconds, and at the plugin screen we found something different result. So it is not exact, but yes, you can take all these advantages that is available with the plugin and continue the optimization and choose the better options through the dashboard, and options available like speed optimizations options are well available here. You can check which is performing, which is working good for you, and you can optimize your website. So I believe this video remained very helpful for you, and it is going to give you the complete idea about the Zoom United WP Speed Up Lite WordPress Speed Optimization plugin. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions. Keep watching. Thank you.